This segment is brought to you by Castle Medical Center, exceptional medicine by exceptional people.
In my early 20s, I was an avid college student who loved gymnastics, and on one occasion I had injured my left knee on equipment called a pommel horse. The pain followed me through the years until about 2 years ago I could no longer bear it. Dr. Rasmussen at Castle Medical Center informed me of a new procedure being offered called Makoplasty. The advantage of this new procedure, which is a robot computer-assisted procedure on my left knee, were quite amazing. I've since experienced much less pain and far faster healing. I'm so happy today to be fully active again, to do my gardening activities. If you have an arthritic knee or hip condition, don't wait as I did. Give Castle Medical Center a call for an easy checkup and information on Makoplasty.